Welcome to our tutorial on building a simple 3D maze game in Java. In this video, we'll create an interactive 3D maze game using Java along with some popular libraries like LWJGL for rendering and handling inputs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basic requirements for our project. To build a 3D maze game, we need a few things: the LWJGL library for rendering graphics, a Java IDE for coding, and basic knowledge of Java. Open your preferred Java IDE. If you haven't already, download and configure LWJGL in your project. You can find the LWJGL library on their official website. Follow the setup instructions to ensure it's correctly added to your project. Now, let's create a basic Java class for our game. This class will be the main entry point of our application. We'll set up the basic structure of our game loop where the rendering will occur. Next, we'll set up the rendering context using LWJGL. This includes creating a window and initializing OpenGL. Here's how you can do that. Now that we have our window set up and OpenGL initialized, let's implement the game loop. The game loop is where the main logic for the game will reside, including input handling, updating game states, and rendering. Next, let's implement the input handling. We will capture keyboard inputs to move the player around in the maze. LWJGL provides functions to handle inputs, which we can use to move our player character. Now that we can handle inputs, let's define a simple player class. This class will represent our player character in the game. It will hold information like position, rotation, and movement speed. Let's now update the input handling to move the player using our newly created player class. Reference the player movement methods and update player position based on inputs. Now that we have a player moving around, it's time to implement the maze structure. We can create a simple representation of our maze using a 2D array where 0 is a path and 1 is a wall. With the maze structure in place, we need to render the maze on the screen. We can loop through our maze 2D array and draw cubes for each path and walls. Let's implement the rendering logic. Next, we need to define how to draw a cube using OpenGL calls. This function will be called from our render method to draw the maze walls. At this point, we have a working 3D maze where the player can navigate through the maze. But let's enhance our game mechanics by adding collision detection. We need to check if the player can move to the next position before updating their position. Let's integrate our collision detection with the input handling. Update the movePlayer method calls to appropriately reflect user input while ensuring the player does not collide with the walls. Now that we have collision detection, it's time to enhance our visual representation. We can add textures to our cubes to make the maze visually appealing. Let's load textures using LWJGL. Update the drawCube method to bind our texture before rendering the cube. This will allow the cubes to have proper textures applied to them, enhancing the look of our maze. Finally, let's implement a simple win mechanic. We can add a goal position for the player to reach within the maze. Once the player reaches this location, we can display a win message. Integrate the win condition check within the game loop, so it runs during every update cycle. This ensures that the player can win at any time they reach the goal. Congratulations! You have successfully created a simple 3D maze game in Java using LWJGL. In this video, we've covered setting up the game structure, rendering 3D objects, handling user input, implementing collision detection, and adding a win condition. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.